Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, this is Shruti Sambarwal, student of third year Computer Department at Zeal Polytechnic, Pune. Today I am here about to explain PBL activities of Programming with Python subject, that is PWP. Our project topic is write the Python program to create an enum object and display a member value and name. Under the guidance of Professor Rohini Jadhav ma'am and Professor Mahesh Pawar sir. My group member is Sudhamani Bhagwat. Enum is a class in Python for creating enumerations, which are a set of symbolic names that is members bound to unique constant values. The members of an enumeration can be compared by these symbolic enums, and the enumeration itself can be iterated over. As we have discussed, enumerations in Python are implemented using the module name enum. Enumerations are created using classes. Enums have names and values associated with them. Now, let's discuss about properties of enum. Enum can be displayed as string or represent function. Enums can be checked for their types using type function. Name keyword is used to display the name of enum member. Enumerations are iterable. They can be iterated using loops. Later, we'll see actual demonstration of those programs. Enumeration support hashing. Enums can be used in dictionaries or sets. Now, we'll see a program to create an enum object and display a member name and value. So let's begin. The syntax is pretty straightforward. As you can see on screen, in the class definition, we list the member and their respected values. We usually care less about the raw values of these enumerated members. One thing to note is that you don't have to use integers for their raw values. You can prefer strings if you want. For each member, we can add additional attributes. The useful ones include name and value, which represent the enumerated member's name and its associated value. As you can see the program, creating an enum is as simple as creating a class that inherits from enum itself. Thus, you can see the first line. And we have created members with its associated values. And we have printed the country Albania, its name and value. We'll quickly run this program and see the output. Yeah, as you can see that we have given Albania to print, thus it's printed with its value. We'll change it to, for example, Antarctica. Yeah, we'll run this. The output will be Antarctica and its value, that is 672. Now let's move to another example, that is printing enum as an iterable. We can print the enum as an iterable list. So in the below code we use a for loop to print all enum members. We can print the enum as an iterable list. In the below code we use a for loop to print all enum members. Enum are most useful when you have a variable that can take one of a limited selection of values. For example, days of week. As you can see, we have created class using enum, enumeration. Also, we have printed all enum members using loop, for loop, and printed weekdays. Now let's check output of this program. Right, it's a days of week. It's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We have only specified 3. Thus, 3 is only visible. That is Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So guys, in this project, we have discussed about how to create enumeration in Python. Also, how to create enum using which class, what enum object is, printing enum as an iterable, hashing enums, accessing enums, and also comparing the enums. So, considering overall, I hope you came to the right conclusion of this project. Thank you.
Zine Education Society. Redefining excellence.